I believe that nature was something that I wanted in my life. I didn't realize there was something that I needed in my life. With my wife Karina, we made a 180-degree change. We both lived in a city that we really love, New York. And to come from New York to La Ecovilla, I don't know if there is a bigger change, maybe to go to the moon. And I wanted to experiment what happens to my soul, in my case, when living in nature. And has been amazing, and sometimes a challenge, because whatever the truth is, the truth emerges. That's an incredible possibility, opportunity to work things that are hidden in one's souls and to expand. So coming here to this community has become to stop being a human doing to become a human being.